Welcome to BellyBreath. In today's guided meditation, we'll embark on a soothing journey to connect deeply with yourself and tap into a reservoir of inner peace and tranquility. In our busy world, finding a few moments to focus on self-care can be challenging. This meditation is crafted specifically to help you unwind, relax, and recenter your energy. Whether you're taking a break from daily responsibilities or simply want to carve out some me time, this session is designed to nurture your well-being. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for living a balanced life. Before we begin, find a comfortable position where you can be at ease, whether seated or lying down. Ensure your surroundings are calm and inviting. You might wish to dim the lights or light a candle. Gently close your eyes. Allow your shoulders to relax and your hands to rest comfortably on your lap. Let's start by taking a few deep breaths together. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your chest expand as you invite in new, fresh energy. Hold for a moment. Exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Let's repeat this a few times. Inhale deeply. Hold. Exhale slowly. With each breath in, imagine filling your entire body with a calming golden light. This light represents relaxation, warmth, and peace, gently flowing through you.
With every exhale, visualize letting go of all the stress, worries, and negativity, releasing them like leaves floating down a serene stream. Now, as you breathe naturally, picture yourself in a beautiful, serene garden. Imagine walking barefoot on soft grass, feeling the gentle earth beneath your feet. The sun is shining warmly upon you, and a gentle breeze caresses your face. As you walk, you come across a magnificent tree with sprawling branches and a comforting shade. This tree represents your inner strength and resilience. Take a moment to sit under this tree and lean against its sturdy trunk. Feel its unwavering support and know that you are grounded and secure. As you relax, you might notice the sound of birds chirping, the rustle of leaves, and perhaps even the scent of fresh blooms surrounding you. This garden is your sanctuary, a place where you are safe, loved, and at peace. As you rest here, offer yourself a gentle affirmation that resonates with you. Feel free to adapt these or create your own. I am worthy of love and care. I am at peace with myself and the world. I am strong, resilient, and capable. I deserve moments of quiet and relaxation. Repeat your chosen affirmation silently or aloud, letting its meaning sink deep into your being with every breath. Now, gently bring your focus back to your breathing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Appreciate this moment of self-care and the serenity it brings. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs with positivity and light, and exhale, releasing any lingering tension. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you, your place within this beautiful garden, and the calm energy you have cultivated. As we prepare to conclude this meditation, gradually begin to bring your awareness back to the present surroundings. If your eyes are closed, gently open them. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly rise from your meditative state. Reflect on how you feel now, having prioritized yourself for these precious moments. Carry this sense of peace and the affirmations you've chosen into the rest of your day. Remember, The inner garden you visited is always within you, available whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this meditation, please consider liking this video, sharing it with others who might benefit, and subscribing to BellyBreath for more meditative content. Your support helps us continue to create and share these healing practices. Wishing you a day filled with peace, joy, and self-care.